Step number 5 is to improve the internal activities or to eliminate them completely. Here the activity number 2 is to cool down the furnace oil. It is taking 1 hour. So if we use an external equipment for cooling, we can accelerate the cooling here and we can reduce the time. The activity number 4 is pumping out the tempering oil out of the furnace. So here, if we have seen that it is taking us approximately 40 minutes. So instead of pumping out the oil with one filter, we can ask if we want to make it quicker, how we can do it. Maybe we can use 2 pumps instead of 1 pump, and we will reduce the pumping time by 50 minutes. Or we can use one bigger pump, which is much more quicker. The activity number 5 is to filtering the furnace oil. So here we are taking the oil out, bringing the oil to filtering unit, and after that we are filtering there separately. One option could be that when we were previously pumping out the oil, during that process we can have the filtration unit mounted on the pump. So during we are taking the oil out of the machine, the filtration is also happening simultaneously at the same time. So with that we can eliminate the filtering time completely. Activity number 7 is that we are cleaning the tub. During the preventive maintenance, it was being done manually. One person was manually doing the whole cleaning and everything. We can ask how we can do this cleaning in much shorter time. One idea would be that we use the equipment. For example, we can use the water jet or any other equipment which is cleaning it everything in much shorter time. Another idea would be that instead of one operator, there are 2 operators who are doing all the activities. For example, one operator would be the machine operator, and another worker would be from the maintenance department. So the whole maintenance, including this cleaning, can be done by 2 workers instead of 1 worker. So with this arrangement, we are also shortening a lot of maintenance and downtime of the machine. The activity number 9 is again heating up. Similarly, as we have cooled down our oil with the help of external unit to reduce the time, in the same way we can use an external unit to heat up the temperature so that we are bringing it to working temperature, the oil, in much more shorter time. So here we see with that we can further reduce the time required for these internal activities. So here we can see that we have reduced the time here by 40% as compared to the time it was in step number 3.